So I did promise you some nature last video, and here I am in one of my favorite places to be during winter. Right now it's about 5 degrees outside and really windy and cold. I almost froze my ass coming here on my motorbike. But in here it's about 23 degrees with high humidity, and it really feels like you are in a jungle. During winter I tend to come to this place a few times a month, just because it really warms me up and my heart. And to say, this is specifically the Masuala Hall of the Zoo Zurich. So I did some nature shots, and now I'll be trying to film some of the animals around here. I hope you enjoyed. And before I forget, I should actually mention that this video has been inspired by Thomas Alex Norman. He was like one of my biggest inspirations when I started doing YouTube, and he actually still is a big inspiration to me. So I'll put a link down in the description to his video. If you want to check it out, please do, because it's really worth it. If you're checking it out, check out his Uganda series. I think that's really mind-blowing beautiful. Mind-blowingly beautiful? I don't know. Well, enjoy it. Alright, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I really love it here. Of course, everything here is artificial, but still all the trees and animals are imported from Masuala, and the Zoo Zurich is doing a lot to preserve the Masuala National Park in Madagascar. So that's something that I tend to support, and that's also a place that I hope to visit in the world trip. So yeah, that's it for this time. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, and see you next time. Bye bye.